Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And in today's video, I thought I would share with you my master bedroom for Christmas. I didn't do a lot in here, so that's why I did not include it in my Christmas home tour, but a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see the master, so here we are. So I told you guys that I was going to black out my bedroom for fall, and as you can see, it is blacked out. So my bed came from Overstock several years ago, but it gives me like a Regency style, over the top kind of glam sort of feeling. So the bed is a black velvet with faux alligator in the front, and it also has studs. So it's a combination of feminine and masculine, so it works well for us. Now let's talk about the bedding. So the bedding came from Amazon. Yes, guys, this came from Amazon. I will say it is not the softest thing to sleep under, but it is very aesthetically pleasing. Let me walk over to the other side so we don't get a glare, if that's any better. But this is how the bed looks, and it's like a waffle weave print. Absolutely love it. I've paired with it these black velvet pillows. The pillow covers came from Amazon. Anything I mention is from Amazon. It will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so if you care to go check it out. I do get a small commission, so thank you so much in advance for that. The artwork above the bed came from Ross. I want to say it's about a year ago now, and I absolutely love it. I love the silver, the grays, the smoky color. You guys know I love a moody vibe. So that's what I wanted to create here in my master for winter, a moody vibe. So that's why I blacked out the space. I have paired with it this throw. This throw came from TJ Maxx online. It was $19.99. It feels like cashmere to me. So nice. I love the little fringe detail on the end with a little window pane. So pretty. These pillows, I got them several years ago. They came from Home Goods after the stores opened up after the pandemic was over, or was starting to be over. So 3 years old these are, but I love them. I love the cheetah print. Again, it goes along with the moody vibe that I am trying to create here in our master. I have paired with it this brass tray on the black ottoman that matches the bed. It also came from Overstock. The tray came from Kirkland's. It's very similar to Pottery Barn, but half the price. You guys know I love to get the luxe look for less. This piece came from Ross. I don't know how much it was, and I don't have the tag on it anymore, but you know, if it's from Ross, it was really inexpensive. I also have this little bowl here with some ornaments to create a festive vibe. This bowl also came from Ross. I want to say it was around $11.99. I have also included our vase from Zara Home. Is it Zara Home? No, H&M. It came from H&M. And I have just added everyone's favorite greenery, the faux Norfolk pine from Kirkland's. And then I've also added one of those candles from Threshold. I think it looks so pretty. I love the ambiance it gives off at night. Over on this nightstand, I have another candle burning. I have our glass vase from CB2, and in it some white roses. These lamps came from Z Gallery ages ago. The black velvet curtains are from Amazon. And what I am most happy about is that the mercury glass trees that I ordered on clearance from Pottery Barn actually came in before this Christmas holiday was over. I was so afraid that they would arrive after the holiday and I would have to use them next year, but nope, they came in, I want to say 2-3 days, and I decided to put them here in our master. I love the faux mercury glass. I didn't realize they were going to be this big. I guess I should have looked at the dimensions. Now, I will tell you, when I open this up, where is it? You see this little cut right here? I thought it was broken, but they all have this. So it's not broken. It's actually so you can use a light inside them should you want to. And they all have that little cutout. So if you get these, be aware that you will have that little cutout. I didn't know that, so I thought they were broken. So in case you might be thinking the same thing, that's how they come, but I absolutely love it. So I have 2 of them here, and then I have a larger one over here in my sitting area. So in my sitting area, I like to read. So I just, decorated this area with a faux fur pillow, another one of those trees, and a candle. You guys know mahogany teak wood, one of my favorites. So I have to have that burning in here. This chair came from All Modern about 6 years ago. The ottoman came from Wayfair, and the tray came from Target. That little table back there came from Home Goods. The crystal vase also came from Home Goods. So pretty. Another one of my finds after everything opened up after the pandemic, and I just added in some black faux peonies. These 2 wall pieces came from Ross several years ago. This artwork, or these mirrors, I don't remember where those are from, but they're very heavy. And then if we turn over here, this wall is our focal point of the room. And I have the fireplace on for some ambiance in the room, but normally I have this fireplace on. It has a blue flame, so I'd rather have like the warm fire. It looks more realistic than the blue flame, than the blue flame, if I could talk. But I do turn it on at night for ambiance. So this is a faux fireplace. You guys know I've talked about this before. The fireplace is mounted on the wall, and I have just used a floating shelf above it to create a mantle for myself. And then below, I have this little bench that I have added some decor pieces to. We have some white roses over here in a black vase, more of those Norfolk pine stems. These came from Kroger many years ago, during the Christmas time actually, when I got them, and I love them, so they stay here. Then I've added my Tom Ford book over here as well, and another candle. So yeah, not a lot, like I said, but I know some of you guys did want to see a master Christmas bedroom tour. I decided not to put a tree in the space this year. I just wanted to keep it simple, and I like it. Love the ambiance. It's very simple, very sophisticated and modern to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little master bedroom Christmas tour. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like my black out master bedroom. I know a lot of people will probably think it's too dark, but I love it dark. I love it like a dark, moody cave, a dark, moody love cave. So yeah, absolutely love this. I hope you do as well. Make sure you go check out my other Christmas videos. I will leave them linked in the description box down below. And with that, my friends, let's take one last look at the room, and I hope to see you in the next one.